So it is officially 4 weeks since I decided to make a return to this channel and start reviving it and posting content about more of stuff that's near and dear to my heart. So last month I actually got inspired by YouTuber Dodash, as you guys know. Decided to come out behind the camera and stop being a perfectionist and stop, worrying about whether or not I had makeup on, whether or not I had anything to say, and just come out and do this. I'm excited. It's been 4 weeks, and as a result of that, I just started practicing and just posting. And in this process of every week posting either a short or a long form video, I've also been looking at other YouTubers and noticing that people are actually doing something with their small channel. And I thought, wow, could it possibly be that it can finally happen? So as a result of that, I just started looking at other YouTubers, doing soul searching and practicing, and was really embarrassed at first to come out on here and do these videos of these long form videos. But I have really embraced it, and so I wanted to come on here real quick and just give you guys the update of where I'm at on my stats, where am I at on my soul searching, and share some of my screen, share my analytics and that kind of thing, and just tell you where I'm going. So stay with me. So let me go to the screen analytics. So as you can see, I am officially at 823 subscribers in the last 28 days. I grew from, let me show y'all. So I did a screenshot from my phone, from my YouTube app, and it said I was 787 at that time. This was November 11th. I was at 787 total subscribers with a decrease of views of 577, and watch time was 19.4 hours. And as you can see, the videos that I had at that time, they were just all old videos from a few years back. So I got inspired to come back on and revive my channel. I probably had stopped posting about a year and a half ago. And in the past 28 days, well, we're on week 4, so I'm at 30 days roughly. I have grown 35 subscribers, and so views have increased to 4,000 views. And remember, when I did the screenshot, I was at 577 views. And my watch time is now at 56 hours. And at that time, it was 19.4 hours. So I had figured out that I needed to get my, what I needed. This is how I figured it out. I don't know which YouTuber I saw, but they said, go on here and look and see if you're eligible to get monetized. So I came over here because they said, click on this earn button and on your YouTube channel. And it said, when you go down, you're eligible for all this stuff. And to be eligible, you need to grow. You could grow to 500 subscribers, which I'm already at. Well, this is one eligibility. So I met this requirement for, I don't know what this eligibility will do for me, but I've already met that requirement for 500 subscribers. And then maybe this is to show ads on my videos. I don't know. And then 3 video uploads. And I had not uploaded a video in over a year and a half. So I was like, wow, that's easy. I can go post a video. So I came on here, and right away I was like, I'm going to go ahead and challenge myself and start doing this. So it said, get 3 videos posted within 90 days. And I'm like, no brainer. So I did. I got those 3 videos. So now this eligibility, like I said, I don't know what this means, but I got that up and that minimum requirement done. And then, so one of the following. So I need to get at least 3,000 watch hours in a year's time. And I don't know honestly, I don't know if this is even possible, but because I have, I think 4,000, or I don't remember how many watch hours I have, but in 13 years or 14 years of having this channel. So this is something I'm trying to study up on. And then, of course, public shorts views, you have to have 3 million. So I don't even think that's possible. But what I'm seeing is that if you get shorts up, you get YouTube will suggest your channel to other people, so it'll help, you know, grow my subscribers. And so that's nice. I think that works for that. But I know that's this shorts views is kind of big challenge. It's a big challenge to do. And saying I'm not eligible. So we'll let you know when you're eligible. So I am not eligible for that monetization piece, but continue to grow and unlock more ways to earn. So here I am. So as of December 8th, at that time, December 8th, which was a few days ago, 823 subscribers. So I need to meet that. And then one of these requirements. So 4,000 watch hours I need to work on. There's this 10 million views is not, I don't see that happening. But okay, so this is what motivated me. The second motivation after, you know, being motivated by DoDash. And then when you come over here to analytics, my channel got 4,000 views in the last 28 days. So from November 15th to December, yesterday, remember, I was at 577 views on November 11th, and I grew to 4,000 views because I turned back on some old videos that that I had set to private, and my hours increased from, back then it was 19 hours, last month was into 56 hours. Subscribers have now grown in real time, because this says real time. I'm now at 35 subscribers more in the past 28 days. So if we look at my lifetime over here, this is something I didn't know how to do either, but in the past month, as of, you know, having this motivation to come back to my YouTube channel, if you look at my lifetime of my channel, which, like I said, I think I started, okay, yeah, July 8th is when I launched the channel, 2010. And then approximately 2014 is when I started getting more views, and I started getting some kind of traction there. So this is all interesting to me to see, because, you know, I really didn't pay attention to all this stuff. And so anyway, so I wanted to show that, come on here real quick and show y'all's my analytics. And yeah, so basically that's that. If you made it this far, thank you for watching and liking or subscribing, whichever. If you have anything to share with me, please do share that in the comments. And what I want to say, just to wrap up, basically, is that I have really been growing in this last 4 weeks. I've learned how to do all those analytics. I mean, I still don't even understand the whole dynamics of the analytics, but I really like that I was challenged. It's forcing me to get out of my little comfort zone, get in there and look and see what the strategies are, look out there. You know, I'm so used to just watching my favorite YouTubers that, you know, I just got into this little comfortable world. But now I feel like it's time to give back and also grow in the process of speaking on my YouTube channel, which is not something that is easy to do. You know, it's so much easier for me to be on this, you know, on the back side of the camera than it is to be in front of the camera. So, you know, if you know what I'm talking about, you know, give me a thumbs up. But yeah, it is challenging me to grow in ways that that was time. I don't know if you've watched some of my, you know, my previous video, but, you know, I had always said that I wanted to be a motivational speaker years ago, and I don't know how, you know, this is going to happen, but I feel like this platform through YouTube is motivating me to come up and share some, you know, private stories that are very personable to me, very near and dear. I've grown a lot, as you know, here I am in my mid-50s and have a lot of experiences to share. I've dealt with a lot, you know, I've overcome a lot of obstacles in my life to get to where we're at now. But anyhow, thank you for watching and coming along this journey with me. It is 4 weeks, and I feel like, you know, I don't know where I'm going with this, but it's exciting. All right, well, y'all have a good one. If you have a channel you want me to follow, please share that with us in the comments, and I'll be sure to follow you too. Bye.